Okay, I'm going to show you how to use a website to do a mock-up in 10 minutes. It's easy peasy. First, you go to moqups.com. It's not spelled normal, it's spelled with a Q. All right, first you're going to have to create an account. So go to Startup and Pricing or Sign Up in Pricing, and be sure to choose Free Plan down at the bottom and just follow the instructions. I already have an account, so I'm just going to log in. But you will have to follow the instructions on how to sign in rather. So it's going to say loading your project, doopy-doo, and it's easy peasy. Up here you'll see, ignore what I'm doing there. Up here you'll see stencils, images, and pages. Now what you want to do is go down to where it says master page. A master page is the where you want to put all the stuff that'll be on the entire website, so you don't have to do it on every single page. So hit the plus, name it master page, go up to the top and start making your master page. Click on heading. If you want to put a heading on it, you've got to click and then drag, and then a little box will come up where you can change the text and click on one of the edges and you can change the size. That looks beautiful. There's my very mature title, ballbucks.com. You can grab it and position it. See, I wanted a picture of someone, so I put that up there. You can put an image there or just a box. And what am I doing here? I don't know what I'm doing here. Oh, menu. Right there's the menu. And I drag that up here. Now, you'll click on it, double click, and this will come up. Now, every word that has a comma is one different part on your menu. They should be separated by a comma. I'm just changing the text to all my different pages to make a menu. The one that has an asterisk next to it just means that is the one that'll be highlighted on the menu. You don't really need to worry about that, but if you want to change it for each page, then don't put it in the master, just put it in every single page. But don't bother with that, just put it in your master page and everything will be good. So I've just typed in all my pages. Now I see it goes off the screen, so I'm going to make that picture a little smaller, and I'm going to drag that there. And you know what? Your master page is completely done now. You're halfway there. So now I go back to pages and I'll create my home page. But you have to let them know to use the template. That's master page. So click on the gear, choose master page, and it'll come up. So now I just start designing my home page. And my home page has a video on it. So I went down and I found the video icon, dragged that on there, and guess what? My first page is done. Okay, so I go back to where it says pages, and I should be clicking on the plus sign. I should be clicking on the plus sign. You can do it. Nope, 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 nope. Okay, there we go. Now I click on the plus sign under pages, and I rename it to whatever my next page is. Mine is Legal Team. Go to the gear, click master page, and there you are. You have a new page with all the stuff on it. Go back to stencils. I scrolled down. I wanted a picture of a guy there. So I scrolled down to avatar, dragged it onto the screen. But I want 3 more people, so I grab the avatar again. And if you click on it, you can choose dudette and change the color of things. I want another guy. I rescale it. There are a bunch of options in the pop-up boxes on everything. And I'm going to change this one to a dudette as well. Okay, going back up to, oh no, I forgot. I wanted a description of the people. Now I'm writing in the names of the people that were on my production team and describing them. You don't need to do that. You don't have to write all the text that is going to be on the page. Just write a quick description. If it's a description about playing the game or whatever, just type that. And if you want to copy and paste it, it's Control-C to copy, Control-P to paste it. That's what I did. And here I'm just moving stuff and changing the names. Great, page 2 is done. Go back up to pages, hit plus, and name your third page. Mine is Y neuter. Click off it, go to the gearbox, click master page, and everything shows up again. Now go to stencils. Now I just wanted text on this page, so I just grab the paragraph, drag it onto the screen, and that's all. Now I don't need to write what is on this screen because that is what your web description page is for. So we go on to create the next page by clicking on the plus sign. I'm turning it into my master page by going in the gearbox. I'm renaming it to whatever's next. Oh yeah, low cost and free services. So go back to stencils, and again, this is a page that just has text. So I drag paragraph onto the page, resize it, and guess what? I'm done with that page. So I go back to pages, click on plus, do my next page, which is something I forgot. Oh, click on master page under the gearbox again. And this one's called Get the App. Go back to stencils. There's going to be text on this, so I grab paragraph. I don't need to say what this is about. Now I'm going to put a little button on it. So this is theoretically where the button people will press to get the app. So I'm just changing the text there to download the app, resizing it so the text fits, and voila, that page is done. So I go back up to pages, click on plus to add another one, and I'm renaming it to contact, my last page, yay. Go up to the gearbox, click on master page, all the good stuff shows up. And on this one, I was looking for something that said like email form or just form, but I didn't see anything like that. So I just went up to the top and got a rectangular shape there, stretched it out so it looked big, and then added my text. I did that by clicking on heading, dragging it on there, and changing the text to name, which is where the person would put their name. Do it again. What I put here? Oh, their email address. I forgot the colon. Grabbing another one again, change it to text of their message, colon, go back and put the colon in because I'm anal, and voila. Now I want a little submit button so it looks like people submit their form. So I'm submit message, make it a little bigger there. We are done now with our entire mock-up, but because this is the free version, they will not let us print it out. So what you have to do is take a screenshot or multiple screenshots. On the Mac, you just hit Command, Shift, and 4. The cursor turns into a crosshair and you just select the portion of the screen that you want to take a shot of and then just let go of the mouse. If you're using a PC, you press that Windows logo plus print screen. And apparently the screen will dim for a moment and then the entire screen is copied. I don't know how on a PC to just get a portion of the screen, so you'll just have to take a full screenshot of the entire computer, and that's fine. So this is how it looks on a Mac. I just pressed Shift, Control, whatever I just said. Here I am highlighting the portion I want, and I'm doing that for each page. Select, and you'll hear a little click sound like a camera shutter. And I'm doing that for every page so I can easily print them out. Selecting and letting go. And in Windows, like I said, you just take a picture of the whole screen. Now that we've got all those screenshots, where do we find them? Well, on a Mac, they'll be on your desktop. So we venture over here to the desktop, and my desktop is really dirty, so it's got tons of stuff on there. So I have to click, scroll down, and you will see all the little screenshots there. Just double click, it'll open up in preview, and choose print. Now on a PC, it's in a different place. It's under the screenshots folder. That is within your pictures folder. But how does one find the pictures folder? Well, apparently what you do is go to the File Explorer or something like that. Point to the top right of the screen, move the mouse pointer down, click Search. Just type in pictures in the search box, and a whole bunch of different files will come up in folders, but what you want to look for is a folder that says either Pictures or My Pictures. Double click on that, open it up, and there will be a bunch of files that say Screenshot, and just open those up and print them out, and you are done.